Welcome back everyone, Mike here. I am down here in the woods here by these red pines, and I'm going to attempt to pull an entire tree out here. I don't think it's going to work. I'll have to cut it in half. We'll see. This one's probably about 70 feet long. I just cut the top off of it, that's it. But it's really tight down here. I had one tree that was it blew down, and then I dropped this dead one over top of it because I knew I'd be coming in from this side. Let's see what happens here. It's pretty hard when you're in here just trying to, you know, kind of do some thinning and take out the dead ones. It's so tight. There's trees every 10 feet. I don't know if you can tell, this is steep right here where I'm at. Yeah, because what's going to happen, I won't be able to get this log turned down there. I can see that now. Yep, I'm gonna cut her. All right, I'm hooked onto this one here. There shouldn't be any problem, I don't think. Just pull it up next to me here, then back up the hill some.
Tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on.
I had this chain hooked up as a choker, and in between sets there it kind of came undone, but it actually rehooked itself. Not as a choker, but it's still holding. What I'm going to do here is bring these up here to this flat spot here. I'll go back down and get that other big log, bring it up, and then I can cut these to length. And then I'll carry one or two out with me with the excavator, and then come and get the rest with the tractor. And I know a lot of people say I should bring the dump trailer down here. There's just no way there's enough room to bring that down on these trails. Plus, it's real steep getting out of here. A little log trailer or something would be nice. Something narrow, but that's all right.
Baby, I don't my door. Alright, mama, sure is getting late. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, well we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take on down, don't look twice. Hey, come on, say hey.
Hello. All right, it's a real nice night out. I definitely see Mike's breaking a sweat. It's not too cool, but not too hot. If you're moving, you're sweating. Mike always tells the kids, if I'm not sleeping, I'm working. Boy, this area, I just love it down here. All these pines. Wow. This is beautiful.
So this one over here to the right, Melissa, it's this one was pretty far gone, but I got 3 10-footers out of this one. Got 2 nice ones here that I'll carry out with the excavator. What'd I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got 12 out. Ready to roll.
Smells like Christmas.
Smells like Christmas. I'm going to call this video, I found a source for cheap lumber. Yeah. I mean, I'll get each out of one of these little ones right here. I get about 8 1x8s or 1x9s out of each one. So you can easily figure $150 worth of lumber at today's prices out of each one of these logs right here. And these ones here are a little bit bigger. But literally, I know it's not going to be kiln dried or anything, but it'll dry. It'll probably be better quality than what you can buy anyway at the end of the day. And right here's $1,000 worth of wood.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Got my finger stuck. The chainsaw's a little warm.
Yeah, it's a little warm. I can't fit all that stuff in the excavator, so.
Okay. This comes in handy.
Well, it's getting close to dinner. I'm about to wrap this up. I think what I'll do, I'll carry those 2 logs out with me. I may even bring the tractor back out and get some, but at least I have something to saw if it rains. But I wanted to mention, people were asking how we like the Sidekick since we've had it a few months. I told them in a video the other day what I thought of it. What do you think?
I like it. 1, I like the color. 2, it's zippy. It's get up and go. And
You got a lead foot.
yeah, maybe I do. I do have 1 foot heavier than the other. But it also has great lights. Hunter and I have been driving this out the trails right after it gets dark. He loves that. And yeah, there's no messing around. You want to get there, boom.
You're not used to the no park though, huh? That's one thing.
Yeah, I had to get used to that. I'm in the other, there's a park, but you know, with driving the Jeep, you pull the emergency brake anyway, so it's just on the other side. I have to get used to that.
Jeep.
Yeah.
New one's a automatic.
That's right, there's a park.
And oh, the license plates. I want to thank everyone for the license plates.
Yeah, thanks so much. It's been fun opening them up and reading the letters you've written, and also the things, the messages you write on the back of the plate, your name, where you're from, and what car it came off of, when you got that car. That is super exciting. We love that sort of history and that connection that we have with you. So thanks so much for taking the time to dig them out, or take them off your wife's car or your neighbor's car. One guy wrote that. It's pretty funny. And we just appreciate that you're packaging them up and sending them to us. It means a lot to us. So we're really excited to be able to hang them on the wall in the new building, and that we really feel that you're part of the family. So thanks so much. Make sure that you're subscribed. Hit the bell icon next to it. Gives you a notification when Outdoors with the Morgans publishes a video, and comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.